and gentlemen, welcome back, Rouse Automotive. Real quick. This is a 24 Hyundai Santa Fe oil change. I'm going to run this by you. This has got 3 push lock pins. Sits over here. This is for your, well, it goes like this, but this is for your oil filter. This panel right here is to the oil pan. It's got a couple of push locks, and then it's also got 2 10mm headed bolts. On the drain plug, 17mm. And here's something I also did not realize. The crush sleeve on that, you'll get that with a Wix filter. The Wix filter has got it in it. The number for the Wix filter is this one right here, WL10514. And like I said, it does have the washer with it, a filter. Anyway, as I was saying, you get this washer that go with it. That's an aluminum washer. I would recommend you changing it. Do you have to? Probably not. Trying to get it off of here in case you're wondering what I'm doing. Let's see, make sure that we're good there. So we're good here. Steel pan, don't see that a lot. Slick fingers, that's why I don't do oil changes. Yeah, kidding. Very little pressure required to tighten that up. Now on the lid right here for the oil filter, now I've done this already. This is the drain in the middle right here. You're gonna need a, what is that? You're gonna need an 8mm Allen wrench. Take the plug out, let it drain, and then you can remove the cap, which takes a 27. And the only reason I'm doing this video is so you actually know what to expect here when you do this. This is not quite like conventional style. The seal is a type of flat seal. So it goes on the inside. It sits on a lip on the inside right here. So it's a seal like this. The tab sticks up. Don't think location makes difference, but tab does stick up. The filter can go in both ways. Take a look at the seal one more time. The seal is pretty loose in there. I don't want there to be any problems with the seal. And these are marked for torque, so I don't have to tell you that on the video. The cap is marked, the plug is marked. Push lock number 1. 2, number 3, do the push locks first on the other one. The push lock clips here, they'll line you up. Now we'll do the 10mm headed bolts, M6. And a little tight is good enough. Again, I can't even tell you how many these things we get that are stripped out, so please don't tighten that like crazy. But anyway, I figured I'd share that with you. That way you have a good idea of what to expect if you're changing your oil. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.